Hi guys, I meet today with Georgi and we're going to Clark. We can find some restaurant. Our subscribers say it is good restaurant in the Clark, so that's why we're going to Clark restaurant. Oh, I don't know place in the Clark. Georgi already show me way because he know location. Today very hot, and he said in his place don't have internet. That's why he bought it in home. I said, okay, let's go together. Shaira, because today tired, she want to rest in home, and maybe I go with Shaira only, maybe at night, maybe later, maybe can eat. But now we going to the Clark. It's for bikers. For bikers. Сапан Бато, Барангай. Сапан Бато.
Abang buhay na.
Don't have road already. Off-road. Off-road. Good afternoon. Do you know this place?
Ha?
This place?
Yes.
Punin Hot Spring and Restaurant.
Wala mo na. Diyan.
This.
Sarado.
Close right now.
Close.
Okay. Thank you very much. Hi guys, we already arrived this place. Our subscriber already been here and he recommended go to this restaurant. That's why we come to this restaurant and take a look. Now you see already this restaurant is close. Close restaurant. This one. Puning restaurant station 1. Its location very good. We like in the forest. So many people. Hi. Friendly people here. Maybe someday this place will open and we can come back again. I see this before. I think it's very good. Don't have people. It's good fresh air. It's air because of the mountain. Take a look at this. Cave. Georgi, take a look, cave. I see some people go inside to this cave. Do you want? I will help you. You can check what inside. I don't want. I don't have drone right now. If I have drone, I can use drone and fly inside. Interesting. Yes, I think someone go inside. It's good place here. Good location. Silent. Guys, we stop. I see cemetery, old cemetery. I want to see old cemetery here. Very old. Yeah, this is local cemetery. It's not old. It's not old. It's not old. 2 years ago before. I will check. It's like this, a small. I think it's only this barangay. For this barangay. Yeah. I think people scared here night time. I will try go up. So dirty here. It's not old. Cemetery is new. I think it's for this place, for Barangay. Okay, let's go. Take a look, guys. Very good place. Very good. Maybe someone want to build here resort. We're going to the Clark. This is already Clark. Cannot use tricycles here. Tricycle this road already not allowed. Not so many people in the park.